guy here is Twintermo, my special guest. So M&S America and we teamed up and then gave him a side skirt to finish up his build.
What?
So
oh! It's gonna make a sick vid, dude.
Yeah.
Rear diffuser time. Actually, you know what? Maybe we can put that right here. We got the M&S rear diffuser. This is a surprise. I have no idea what model they sent me, if it's painted, not painted, I don't know anything. What's included here? We got some 3M brand double-sided tape, and it looks like we got 4 self-tapping screws and 1 sticker that's gonna go on my toolbox. See what kind of diffuser we got here. It's matte. Let me kind of see here how this will look. Oh yeah, I'm gonna paint it that Aurora black pearl. So these notches here will recess into these, boom, boom. So it's gonna look like that, but you can kind of get the gist here. Sweet. I just contacted a local body shop around the corner, sent them some pictures and the paint code for the Aurora Black Pearl. That's gonna look fire right there, man. I really like this. It's super clean. It's not like too aggressive. So the rear end to me on the Stinger is just missing something a little bit, and I think this is going to really help complete that clean look we're going for. Super excited to see what they say. Hopefully it's only like 140 bucks.
Hey, what?
But I want to show you something real quick. I got the rear diffuser over there. I got an update on something because the rubber grommet underneath there with the JB4 got water underneath my freaking tux mat. It smells like mildew now. I cleaned this area. I put the tux mat back in and it's horrible. So heads up, make sure your rubber grommet from the JB4 is like sealed because it's gross. Now let's show them what we got today. Thank you M&S and Papa Fall. Once again, I create a little paint booth here. I'm gonna use this as like a backdrop. And what I did is I ordered this, it's Kia Aurora Black Pearl. So it's the same exact black as my car. These weren't cheap, but this is supposed to be like the best DIY kit. I'll link it down below. What do you think? Should we get going? Mm-hmm. All right, let's do it. Oh, these are the AirPod Pros. I wonder how the microphone sounds. It's supposed to be better this year out. Bye, Apple. It's a work in progress. Let's go check it out. I put 2 coats on it, DIY, and it should be fine. But far, so good. I'm happy with this. I hope I don't screw this up on the clear coat part, so. All right, as you can see, guys, we got the Aurora Black Pearl on there because you can see the flake in it. Exact same color from Kia. Not bad for a DIY. Again, this is just a rear diffuser going underneath the car, and yeah. Shout out to Parker. He gave me a link to this paint. It's not very cheap, I will say that, but get what you pay for. I think it was like 70 bucks shipped. It is Kia ABP. All right, so I just put the last coat on in the clear coat. It looks amazing. Once this clear coat dries, I'm going to install it tomorrow. I'm done for the night. I gotta take my daughter to gymnastics. It's her new little moped electric. It's rear diffuser time. What we're gonna do is we're going to take this isopropyl rubbing alcohol. They provided a lot of 3M tape. Guys, this stuff sticks like crazy, and let me tell you, this thing weighs like next to nothing. I just go through, take a little bit of isopropyl. We're just gonna hit this real quick. I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna do the same process for underneath the car. I have really good results with 3M tape when you clean the surface with rubbing alcohol. Not screwing into my rear diffuser. I'm curious, I wonder if this diffuser hits the car right here. All right, getting close to the finish line. Good. All right, man, so we cleaned the bottom of this, so I'm just gonna throw this on real quick. 2 notches down here really help, but put my feet there. I think it's gonna have to go like that, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's look at a real car. That boy's Honda.
All right, so yeah, I just hit the underneath here with rubbing alcohol on all the spots the adhesive's gonna stick, just to be safe. But definitely wash your car, obviously, before you do that. God. Yeah, we got that on camera too.
Your gap's off too. There you go.
It needs to come your way. Yeah, dude. Looks good to me.
The best of the best.
Oh, yeah. All right, let's get this on there. All right, guys, so we just got the new rear diffuser installed by M&S America. Now, I just want to point out my front splitter off eBay came painted for like 100 bucks. Here are the M&S side splitters. They actually, the line flows really good with these. I like these. I got these off Papa Fall, but these are like, I think it's a version 1 side splitter. And then now, when we step back, can see the rear diffuser. See, it's very conservative from an angle, but as you get a little closer or you get behind it, I mean, that looks really clean. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Back shots. I'm gonna go get some pictures of this real quick. I think it looks pretty clean. So the overall fitment is actually, you know, it's okay. It's not like perfect. I try to get it lined up the best I can. These corners are where you're gonna wanna watch out here. I mean, it's on there good, but the passenger side corner I'm a little concerned about. Like right there, that's like the only part I noticed that the adhesive doesn't really wanna stick. I think it's gonna be all right. What do you guys think? Bye. Oh yeah, guys, this diffuser for 200 bucks, I think you're gonna be pretty impressed, because I am. Well, 270 because I had to paint it. So yeah, 70 bucks to order this paint. This is high quality Aurora Black Pearl with clear coats. Comment down below if you have a rear diffuser or if you're going to put one on, or let me know what you think of this M&S one. This is pretty affordable and it looks great. Subtle changes make big differences, just like in life. So, all right, that might not be my best paint job, but it works. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Till the next one.